Alam mo ba kung bakit nahihirapan kang makakita ng result kahit ilang buwan ka na sa gym? Kasi you're skipping one or two sides of fitness. I call it fitness tetrahedron. Mamaya malalaman mo kung bakit. Yes, believe it or not, hindi lang workout yung sagot. Ito yung madalas na naririnig ko sa mga clients. Coach, bakit nag-workout naman ako araw-araw pero bakit ang bagal or halos walang result? Alam mo kung ano yung problema? They think fitness is just about training hard or working hard in the gym. Pero ang hindi nila alam, kulang pa yan ng two vital pieces. Kasi kahit ganong kagaling ka magbuhat, ganong kalakas ka magbuhat, kahit science-based pa yung workout mo, kung hindi mo inayos yung dalawang to, halos sayang yung effort mo. Kaya in this video, I'll explain the tetrahedron of fitness. Ito yung 3 elements na kailangan mong malaman para mas ma-maximize mo yung result. Why all 3 together matters. Tulad ng palagi kong sinasabi, para makabuo ka ng isang apoy, kailangan mo ng 3 bagay. Air, fuel, and heat. Pag wala yung isa dito, mamamatay yung apoy. Nalala ko nung umattend ako sa isang advanced firefighting. May apoy sa drum. Doon sa drum, may fuel. Yun yung gas. And yung heat galing sa lighter. And yung air naman galing doon sa dumadaloy sa paligid niya. Now, nung pinatakluban sa akin yung drum na isang makapal na towel, so walang papasukan ng hangin. So tinakluban ko yung drum, namatay yung apoy. Why? Because I removed the air doon sa tetrahedron. Ganon din sa katawan mo. Kahit ibigay mo lahat ng effort mo sa workout pero hindi mo inaayos yung pagkain mo or kumakain ka nga ng healthy pero lagi ka naman puyat. Fitness doesn't work in isolation. It's a system that support each part. Yung isa sa pinakakailangan natin doon sa tetrahedron ng fitness is yung, of course, alam mo na to, yung workout. Favorite mo yan eh. Ito yung stimulus ng change. Workout yung magiging trigger. Ito yung nagsasabi sa katawan mo na, uy, kailangan mo na mag-adapt. Kailangan mong lumakas. Kailangan may magbago kasi may ginagawa kang bago. Pero tandaan mo, training breaks you down first. Dito sa pag-workout, nagkakaroon ng micro tears dun sa ating muscle fibers. Yung micro tears na yon ay magre-recover ng maayos kung maayos yung pagkain at recover mo. Kaya kung wala kang proper nutrition at rest, hindi ka makapag-build up ng muscle, kaya puro breakdown yung mangyayari. So, pangalawang part ng fitness tetrahedron is yung nutrition, the building blocks. Kung workout yung trigger, yung nutrition naman yung magiging hollow blocks or semento. You can build muscle with junk materials. Kahit gaano ka kadisiplina sa gym, kahit gaano ka kalakas magbuhat sa gym, kung kulang ka sa protein, vitamins, or hydration, it's like trying to build a house na puro putik or hangin yung gamit mo. Quick tip, after workout, aim for real food. Hindi naman kailangan mamahalin. Eggs, chicken, rice, veggies, yan yung actual or yung tunay na supplement. At last, yung pangatlong part ng tetrahedron is yung rest and recovery. Dito nangyayari yung growth. Ito yung part na madalas na nakakalimutan ng marami. Pero, dito talaga nanggagaling yung growth. Habang nagpapahinga ka, nagre-repair yung muscle fibers, nagre-reset yung hormones, and nagre-recharge yung brain mo. Kaya kung palagi kang puyat at kulang sa tulog, huwag kang magtaka kung palaging mahina yung performance mo. Remember, progress isn't built in the gym. It's built after the gym. So, ito naman yung mga common mistakes na nakikita ko or napapansin ko lang naman. Number 1 is overtraining. Kasi akala nila mas madami or mas frequent, mas mabilis makakuha yung result. And number 2, under-eating kasi takot mag-gain ng fat. Pero, believe it or not, eating less calories than your actual calorie need will still make you fat. Kasi pwede nitong pabagalin yung metabolism mo to conserve more energy, making weight loss more harder. Third is skipping sleep or lack of sleep kasi busy. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi mo naman mapupush yung sarili mo, yung katawan mo kung laging kulang sa fuel or kulang ka sa pahinga. So ngayon, paano mo mababalance yung tatlong fitness tetrahedron? So ito yung aking simple yet effective formula. Train hard, eat smart, rest well. Check mo yung weekly routine mo. Are you training too much? Are you eating too little? Sleeping too short? Kasi dito mo madedetermine kung mabagal yung result mo. Balance ang magke-create ng result, hindi extreme workout lang. Remember, God designed your body to just survive, but to thrive. Kaya pag inaalagaan mo to through proper training, proper rest, proper nutrition, you're not just chasing abs or muscles. You are honoring the temple He gave you. So, kung gusto mong matutunan kung paano i-apply itong system na to step by step, panoodin mo yung next video ko na fitness system. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video na to, just hit the like button. And kung naghanap ka naman ng fitness coach, kung hindi mo pa alam kung paano sisimulan yung journey mo, I'm here to help you. I will design your program. I will design a meal suggestion for you na pwede mong sundan 3 to 6 months para makakita ka ng transformation sa katawan mo. So kung interested ka magpa-online coaching, comment mo lang, I am ready para i-send ko sa'yo yung mga details para makapag-start ka na.